Demolition of this lovely old building here goes back to the 1800s. Old Victorian building, probably about 1887, 88 I believe it is. Unfortunately they're demolishing it, but they are. I've heard from one of the foremen here trying to keep the frontage, but this back section will all be gone, unfortunately. The interior was in a bad state of disrepair I hear. So, as you can see what's going on as I speak here in Sheffield. Seeing them excavate a lot of wood there. It seems to be condensing there into a skip or something there. This is Sheffield. So taking down this lovely old building, but hoping to keep the frontage, but nevertheless it's still a lovely old building which is more or less disappearing, sadly. Well, recently I think it was offices here, but probably in the past would have been flats. A load of wood there. Probably wild rock, I should think. So it's a very bad state inside out here. Oh, there we are. Demolition in Sheffield. Not good news. So we're losing a lot of the old character buildings. A lot's been demolished since the war, 50s, 60s, 70s. What was a bomb was demolished, very sadly, to make way for new developments. Unfortunately still knocking down old buildings, as you can see here, as I speak. It's autumn day here in Sheffield.